to subscribe and turn on your notifications.
Hey, we love to play, but when we're done, we put our toys away. Hey, we love to play, but when we're done, we put our toys away. Playing together is lots of fun, but we must remember to clean up when we're done. We sing this song, it's a hip-hop treat, whenever we're making the place look neat. So pick up your toys.
Pick up your toys.
Put them away.
Put them away.
It's time to clean up.
It's time to clean up.
We can play another day.
We can play another day.
Hey, we love to play, but when we're done, we put our toys away. Hey, we love to play, but when we're done, we put our toys away. So many toys everywhere. When you clean up, you show you care. So pick up your toys.
Don't forget your box.
Pick up your toys.
Pick up your toys.
Put them away.
Put them away.
It's time to clean up.
It's time to clean up.
We can play another
We
day.
can play another day.
We can play another
We
day.
can play another day.
Hey, we love to play, but when we're done, we put our toys away. Hey, we love to play, but when we're done, we put our toys away. When I say
Thanks
good,
for
you
watching.
say bye.
If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe.
When